Welcome to 13882 Bruyere Court in beautiful San Diego. I'm Adiana Schwartz with the Schwartz Real Estate Group of Keller Williams Luxury, and I am so excited to present this gorgeous single-level home offering views to the ocean as well as top-rated Poway Unified School District schools. Let's take a look. Located in the highly desirable area of Rancho, Penasquitos and situated on an elevated private cul-de-sac lot on Black Mountain, famous for its hiking trails and views of San Diego. The floor plan offers an impressive formal entry with vaulted ceilings, a formal living room anchored by an oversized fireplace, and an additional room or flex space with built-in custom cabinetry that can be used as a home office or a family room with an open dining area and second fireplace. Both living areas lead to the newly remodeled kitchen just completed in 2021. Entertain or just relax and enjoy stunning San Diego sunsets in the private, fully landscaped backyard, complete with a barbecue island, covered patio seating area, fire pit, and glass view fencing. Look no further, this home is perfect for you. Contact us for a private showing or more information today.